Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you fix Cash App card decline. In order to fix decline Cash App card, first of all, what you want to do is you want to ensure you have sufficient funds. So open your Cash App on your device, and what here you want to do is make sure that you have enough funds. After which you can also go ahead and check your internet connection. So for that, you just want to exit out, open up settings on your device, and there you just want to make sure to go to network and internet, and here you could just go ahead and make sure to switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data, as sometimes that could also be able to help you out. Now you can also confirm your card is not disabled or frozen within the app. If it is a new card, you want to ensure it has been activated as well. And you can also confirm Cash App may decline transaction to protect you from fraud. You could check for a notification in your app's activity tab asking you to confirm if you recognize the transactions. And that is how you're supposed to fix Cash App card decline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.